Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Choose to Sparkle with Shatabdi, and today I'm gonna do a review of two products. Basically today I'm gonna do a comparison review of two products which is heavily demand and is in trend these days. So let's get started. And if you like my video, please subscribe, like, share and comment below. So let's get started. So my two products are Lakme Fit Me Compact Foundation Compact and Color Essence Compact Powder. So these two products I'm gonna do review today with comparison. So first I'm gonna tell you about Maybelline Fit Me Foundation Compact. So let's talk about this first. This is Maybelline New York Fit Me Foundation and my shade is here. It's a natural ivory. You can see, if you can see. It's not getting focused, but it's in 115 natural ivory. I have ordered this one shade lighter than my skin tone because it may get oxidized easily at sunlight. So let's this is the I'm sorry, the package is torn because while opening the seal I just teared. Excuse me for that. And this is the cardboard packaging. It comes, the outer packaging is cardboard and here it is written only the brand name here, Maybelline Fit Me New York, and the shade what you have ordered or what you have purchased. Here is the shade number, here also below, and in the back of the packaging it is written up to 12-hour oil control. I've been using it since 2 days now, and it's it is 12. It doesn't give 12-hour oil control for sure, but it gives 2 to 3 hours oil control maximum. So this is the outer packaging and the price of the product is $199. I've purchased it at now $199 rupees. You can get it on discount also in various apps. So let's see about the inner packaging. This is the case of the inner packaging. The plastic of this packaging is quite sturdy, not so much flimsy, but the thing is that this joint of this thing may get break after some time because it's not so much strong. Now if you talk about the mirror, it comes with a mirror here and it comes with a sponge applicator, but this applicator is not so strong, so you cannot get so much relaxation by using this sponge. And the main product is here, and this is of only 8 grams of product. You can see here 8 grams of product for rupees 199 is not a bad deal, it's a good deal. So you are seeing this ivory, natural ivory is like one skin tone lighter than my skin. So it is like white here in the camera, but it's not so white. It's like pinkish undertone. This is the overall thing of this product, and it does not have any ingredients list. I don't know why it don't have any ingredient list over here, but you should check out the ingredients list on every product you purchase, because that is the sign of authenticity and you can understand what is in the product basically. So you have to check out the ingredients, but I am not sure about these ingredients. It doesn't have anything written on the ingredients, but it is written that it gives up to 12-hour oil control, micro powder, it absorbs sebum and sweat. Yes, it absorbs definitely sebum and sweat, but not for 12 hours. You can get maximum 2 to 3 hours. It's also written skin fitting pigments are there with a natural skin tone. It has also given a sun protection SPF 28 PA triple plus. So you can get the sun protection here. It's very nice, and because PA triple plus is giving means it's giving nice sun protection to you, so you can use it for that also. It is fit for daily use. I will say it's not for occasion or festive season. It's for daily use. You can use it. Very light, compact powder. If you want to go for any morning routine or morning occasion, it is fine for that. It's not for the night occasion, or if you want any heavy coverage or full coverage compact powder effect, it is not for that. So go for light coverage. It is absolutely perfect for that. So now I overall like this product for day purposes. Yeah. Now let's talk about Color Essence. This compact powder is basically a powder foundation. You can see. This is the packaging of it. It's cute little box, cardboard box, and it's a solid cardboard box. It is not so weak. So now it cost of rupees 160 and it cost 199. So this cost me 160 and it has 10 grams of product. 160. It's more affordable and convenient product. So now let's talk about what it has. Ingredients. You can see the ingredients list. It has full ingredients: fine talc, titanium dioxide, mica, calcium carbonate, zinc, light kaolin. Then it has aloe vera extract, rose oil extract, veggium oil extract, clove oil, magnesium carbonate. Everything is there, but the main thing is it has ingredients list, which it doesn't have. It doesn't have any ingredient list, but this have ingredients list, so you can understand the product quality. Now let's talk about its features. What it does. This unique soft textured powder helps to control the sweat and give a smooth coverage to the skin, thereby hiding the spots and freckles. So this actually promises about hiding the spots and freckles and gives you smooth texture with the sweat control system. It actually does so. This is the most authentic compact powder I've ever used, and I'll come later on up to that. So now let's it is one thing is there. It is 100% vegetarian. No animal ingredients is added to it, but in Maybelline Fit Me, they does not claim anything like that. I think they have any they may have, I don't know, but it is clearly written in the Color Essence that it is 100% vegetarian and no animal ingredients are added here. So now let's talk about the inner packaging. Let me open this. This is the inner packaging. I've used it for quite some time now. This is the inner packaging, and this is the cute little fiber container, and it opens like that. And my shade is here. The shade of this Color Essence is little bit tricky to understand. Beige. It's written in under. It's written here beige. It's not focusing, but it's written beige. My skin shade in Color Essence is beige, and in Maybelline Fit Me is 112 Ivory, natural ivory. So this is beige, and the color of the beige is like that. One thing I must tell you that in Maybelline Fit Me, what I have understood, this is Maybelline Fit Me and this is Color Essence. You can see the difference in the color of the two compact powder. Here it is this comes Maybelline Fit Me. This have actually pink undertone, and this is Color Essence. This have actually yellow undertone. So you can clearly understand the color effect. And actually I love yellow undertone foundation or compact powder more, because my skin tone has a yellow undertone. So that's why I like using Color Essence. People like using whatever you want. So this in Maybelline Fit Me, the mirror is above the main product, and here it's below the main product. Here underneath, it's there underneath the mirror. But the packaging is nice, it's sturdy, but the this plastic is not so sturdy, I think. But overall it's okay, it's fine. Until and unless the product is fine, everything is fine. So I think it's nice. And one thing is there, actually the Color Essence have the shade list, CP1, CP2, CP3. So it comes beige. So beige has CP1. It's written under the packaging here. It's CP1. It's a 10 gram of product, and the price is 160. So that was this is 200 of 8 gram, and this is 160 of 10 gram. And this is manufactured by Nature Magic World, and this is manufactured by Maybelline. So it is Color Essence compact powder has also already written here high definition makeup, high definition powder. This is HD powder, and whenever you apply this, if I compare with this is very light, and this is very high full coverage. It gives full coverage to your skin tone. Whatever it claims that it helps to control sweat and give a smooth coverage to the skin by hiding the spots and freckles. It does that. It is true to its claim. So if I say you about my personal review, I would go for this. My personal choice is this, not this. But you people, it may vary. Choices may vary from person to person. So my choice is Color Essence, definitely, because it does what it claims. So this is a comparison between two products. I know there is hell and heaven differences between these, but still I have purchased both the things and I have used it. I have seen the differences between these two things after using this, and this is absolutely my personal review with non-sponsored product review. So it may vary from person to person. If you use this Color Essence, you can get the different results, and if you use this, you may get the different results. So the people who like light coverage, light makeup, they can go for this. This also helps to sweat control thing, but the thing is that it doesn't stay to your skin about 12 hours. No, definitely not. But this, it doesn't claim anything like that it stays 10 hours, 12 hours or 8 hours. No, but it stays to your skin throughout the day, I must say. 24 hours. If you apply this and don't wash it, it will get stayed on your skin. So I am happy with this product. If you go for a night occasion, heavy wedding makeup, if you do heavy wedding makeup, or if you go for a party or anything on a night makeup, this definitely goes for this Color Essence. Just go for it. It's very affordable, nice compact powder. This is the thing in comparison to this Fit Me. So this is all for today's review and comparison. I hope you like the videos, and if you like the videos, then please subscribe, like, share and comment below, and please comment that what you have used or how it's your experiences regarding these two products, and let me know in the comment section. So this is for today. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Bye. Take care.